Hey, how's it going today? I'm shooting a review for the 6.5-inch Westinghouse. This is going to be a surface cleaner that you can get on Amazon. This thing works great. So, as you can see here, I got a really dirty driveway. I'm doing this with one hand. It floats due to the rollers. I put down a bleach mixture before this, but it's not even attached to a big pressure washer. The pressure washer that I've got it on, we got plastic balls everywhere. But anyways, scoots around, does a good job. Watch it clean this. Just pretty much effortless, as opposed to like having to sit there and spray a bunch. So obviously I'm just kind of making circles having fun for the video, but I would recommend it. Go out and get yourself one.
So this is black mold that has grown on our brick steps of our lake house. I didn't add anything else here. Just using a pressure washer, the Simpson gas pressure washer, 3,000 or 3,100 psi. Go past the water, and this nifty Westinghouse 16.5 surface cleaner. It is exceeding my expectations. I didn't add anything else, not pre-treated. Just go back and forth slowly. Gotta go over a couple areas a little more carefully. But it's doing a great job. Highly recommend it.
It actually started up on the second pull this time, which is rare.
Niya, Miguel.
Okay.
Ay, luto ang galong yan.
No, so that's all.